Assalamu alaikum. Magul Islam is in front of you. Today we are going to learn about the MCQs. For the MCQs of a row matrix is column matrix, B row matrix, C diagonal matrix, and D rank of a matrix. So transpose, according to the definition of transpose of a matrix of row matrix, so rows change into columns, so that is called column matrix is the correct answer. Transpose of any matrix, so according to the definition of transpose means rows change into column or column change into rows is called transpose of a matrix. So here is the transpose of the row matrix, so that is called column matrix. Let A be the square matrix of order n. A transpose and A determinant is equal to, what is the answer? A is equal to A minus A determinant and B A transpose determinant. So C is equal to minus A inverse trans determinant and D is equal to minus A determinant. So let A be a square matrix of order n. Order n means here n cross n order. Order is n cross n. So the determinant of this one is equal to A transpose is equal to this one. So a correct answer is B. We can write this is the property of A determinant is equal to A transpose determinant. So correct answer is B. Question number 59. Let A, B, and C are conformable for the multiplication A, B, C are inconformable matrices for the multiplication, then A, B, C transpose is equal to, what is the result? Here A is equal to A transpose, B transpose, C transpose, and B is equal to C transpose, B transpose, A transpose, and C is equal to C transpose, A transpose, and B transpose, C transpose minus B B transpose and A transpose. According to the definition of if A, B transpose are in two matrices, if we are expanding by applying the transpose, so we are going to the back side. So A transpose. Similarly, here A, B, C are transpose if we are expanding. So and that time we C transpose, B transpose, and A transpose. So the correct answer is B. F k minus 2, 1 and 5, k plus 2. Then what is the value of k is unknown. If k is equal to 3, b is equal to plus minus 3, and c is equal to 1 by 3, and d is equal to minus 3. So the correct answer is that one, and s is equal to 0 also, that is a singular matrix, and according to the definition of A determinant is equal to 0. So AD minus BC. Use this formula. Here is k minus 2 into k plus 2 minus 1 and 5 is equal to 0. So here a plus b, a minus b formula is used. K square minus 2 square minus 5 is equal to 0. K square is equal to minus 4 minus 0, and k square is equal to minus 9 is equal to 0. K square is equal to 9. Taking square root on both sides of this equation, so plus minus are used in here. K is equal to plus minus 3. So the correct answer is B is the correct answer. What is the value of minus 1 over x whole power minus 1? So we can write 1 over x. So the answer is, first we write the answer is minus 1 over x, b is equal to 1 over x, and c is equal to x minus x, and d is equal to plus x. Now we have already the definition of 1 over x. We can write 1 over x to the power minus 1 according to this formula. So but here is minus 1 over x whole power minus 1. So if we write this one minus 1 x to the power minus 1 and whole power minus 1. So minus minus are multiplied to each other. So we will get here minus x and whole power minus 1 into minus 1. So the result is minus x, and here we get 1, 1, and means that we get minus x. Minus x is the correct answer. So C is the correct answer. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel step by step. We are going. Please once again do for subscribe.